Today we're going to be showing you how to assemble the outdoor enclosures for the condensing unit. We've set the condensing unit in place here with the condenser lined up with the red line on the base that shows condenser in. That's where your condenser coil goes. And if you look at the base, you can see it's marked A, B, C, and D, which corresponds to markings on the pieces that are laid out. A, B, C, and D. So to assemble the unit, you'll need a drill driver and a 5/16 socket. Start out, take number A, and it goes up here. Simply match it to A, and you've got the 2 screws that go in. And you've got B, and again 2 screws to hold it in place. Everything has already been pre-drilled, so it all goes together nice and easy. You've got panel C. And then you got panel D goes on. Then your top goes on. This part of the top goes towards the front. Slides down over the top to the side panels. And then you've got 4 screws for each side that hold it together. Last item is the cover that goes over the face of it. That pushes down, and you've got a screw on each side to lock it in place. And that completes the assembly for the outdoor enclosure. Now, some people live in areas where you've got the little critters wandering around. So if you're concerned about it, this end here can be covered with some half-inch mesh screen, and that would keep the animals from getting in here. But you don't want to put anything here that's going to block too much airflow going across the condenser. If you want to paint it, it can be painted. If you are painting it, I would recommend that you mask over the UL listing panel here so that when your inspector comes out, he can see that it is a UL coated enclosure. And thank you for being with us today.